Good morning, everyone. This is Brooke Crater, and the members in this group are Luan, Taylor, In this presentation, we will show you an experiment that acts like a volcanic eruption. To do this, here is the process.
Butas.
Iron. Iron.
Wala. Wala.
Iron.
Yung kita ka, wala nata.
Masim lang yun.
Uy! No.
Bagsak. Wala. Ako din.
Uy, ginamit namin.
Lastly, baking powder.
Hindi nila yung asin.
Ken! Ginamit ni Ken.